Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. On today's recipe, I want to show you on how to make kachumbari Kenyan style. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any steps. So, for our ingredients, we have onion, tomato, lemon, and coriander leaves. You can also add green pepper if you have. Then we're going to start by cutting our onions. So you're going to cut it into thin slices as shown in the video. After that, you're going to add in some salt so that you can wash the onions to remove the bitterness. So you're going to wash with the salt only as shown in the video. Then after that, you're going to put some water and rinse off the onions. After rinsing, the onions should be as shown. You then cut tomatoes as shown in the video, but if you can't use your hands, you can use a chopping board to avoid cutting yourself. So you're going to slice it until it's over, then you're going to set it aside. After that, you're going to cut your coriander leaves. After all the chopping is done, you're going to mix all the ingredients together. So you're going to put the tomato, coriander, and onions together. After that, you're going to squeeze in some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. But if you don't have lemon juice, you can use vinegar. Then you're going to add in some salt to taste. After that, you're going to give it a good mix so that the kachumbari will be well combined. Guys, as always, I really appreciate you for always choosing to watch my videos, and if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. And just like that, your kachumbari will be ready to be served. You can eat kachumbari with pilau, nyama choma, or even fried fish. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, and share with others. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. I wish you all a happy festive season. Bye.